Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete Google account in a desktop. So let's get started. First thing first, open your web browser and log into your Google account which you want to delete. After that, once you are inside your Google account, tap on your profile icon available in the top right corner or your initials, and it will show you a drop down menu. Then select manage your Google account. After that, in the Google account settings, find the data and privacy option available there and tap on it. Now all you have to do is scroll down to find the section labeled delete your Google account. Now click on the delete your Google account. You may need to enter your password again for security verification. After that, simply scroll down and agree with the terms and conditions. And if you want to back up your any data, then simply tap on the download option available there and click on the delete your account for confirmation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.